If your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max keeps going back to recovery screen and won't start up normally, this video will show you exactly how to fix it. First, let's make sure this is actually your problem. A recovery mode loop is when your iPhone keeps returning to a screen that has a cable pointing towards a laptop or iTunes logo. Either it asks you to connect to a computer or shows support.apple.com/iPhone/restore. If you've got what I just described, don't worry, this is a really common issue, and in most cases you can fix it yourself at home. You don't need to pay anyone or book a genius bar appointment. Make sure you follow all the steps till the end, as I'll be showing you different methods to fix this. Let's start with the safest fix first, a forced restart. This clears the loop for a lot of people and it doesn't touch any of your data. Press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button on the right and keep holding it. Keep holding even when the screen goes black. Only let go once the screen goes black and the Apple logo comes back on its own. If your phone boots up normally after that, you're done. Now, one quick but important note, you might have to try it a couple of times to make sure you're doing it correctly. If it doesn't work first time, give it another go. Remember to wait for the device to turn off, let the Apple logo appear before you release the side button. But if it just loops straight back onto the same screen, don't sit there after trying 2 to 3 times. Move on to the next step. For this next part, you'll need a computer and a cable. On a Mac, you'll use Finder. On a Windows PC, you'll need to download iTunes. If you don't already have it, you can find the link in my video description. If you already have it installed, make sure to fully update it first. Plug in your iPhone into the computer with a cable. If you have the official cable, use it because a bad cable is one of the most common reasons this whole process fails. On your computer, a message will pop up saying there's a problem with your iPhone. You'll get 2 options, update and restore. Choose update. This is the important one. Update reinstalls iOS and tries to fix the problem without erasing your photos, messages or apps. Let it download and install and keep the phone connected the whole time. This can take up a while, so don't unplug it. Now, if update runs but your phone is still stuck, the next option is restore. Be clear on what this one does. Restore erases everything on your iPhone and installs a completely fresh copy of iOS. If you have a recent iCloud or computer backup, you can set everything back up from that afterwards. If you don't have a backup, this is the point where you would lose your data. So only do this once update has failed. But keep in mind, this is the last resort, and it fixes recovery mode loop issues in 99% of the cases unless there's something wrong with the hardware. To do it, connect the phone once again, open Finder, and this time choose restore instead of update. If your iPhone keeps dropping back into the recovery screen even after a full restore, you've already tried a different cable, a different USB port, and a different computer, then this probably isn't something you can fix at home. At this point, it's likely a hardware issue, and the right move is to contact Apple support or book an appointment. And that's it. I hope this video helped get your phone back to normal. If it did, please like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Abdul signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.